What is going on, Shib Army? It is Ahmed and I am back today with yet another video for you all. And today we're going to actually look back at a price prediction that we had back in June in terms of Shiba Inu for the next 5 years. And today we're going to actually look at 2030, excuse me. So we did have a price prediction for 2025 based off of 5% per month growth for this crypto asset. So if we look back to that spreadsheet specifically, you guys know at that time we were at a $2.467 billion market cap. Again, this was June 2021. And the current price at the time of that recording was 624 Satoshi units. The projected market cap of $200 to $500 billion with a projected price of 3 zeros, so 62,400 Satoshi units to 120,000 Satoshi units. And again, we're going to look at that in just a moment, but I want to talk about the price action for SHIB since that time over the last 3 months or so. So after the significant sell-off, you guys know we continued to pounce. So on June 11th is approximately when we bought a lot more SHIB tokens. So our current dollar cost average is right around 600 for Satoshi units. And a lot has changed in the last couple months, but have we seen that 5% growth per month that we have been projecting? The answer is actually yes, we're surpassing that 5% per month, and we're going to talk about that in just a little bit. Overall, cryptocurrency market conditions are looking really, really good. Bitcoin's approaching $50,000 again, and I think it's going to see all-time highs, and that $100,000 price target for Bitcoin is very, very realistic, and I think the potential is definitely there by end of year. So remember guys, I am not a financial advisor, nor do I make these videos for financial advice. Rather, I always try to put you guys on the plays that I am in. And of course, one of those is Webull. So if you want to click the link in the description, you can soon trade SHIB for 0 fees on Webull's brokerage. So we got to show Webull some love. And if you want to support the channel in any way, you get 2 free stocks when you deposit $5 worth up to $2,300. And I also get 1 free stock when you deposit $5. So make sure you click the link in the description and support your boy. So let's go ahead and look at those price predictions and kind of the projections that we had. So if you have 10 million Shiba Inu, as of the time we made that recording, that was worth about $64.20. By July 2025, we said that money, if we see a 100 to a 200x, that would be $6,240 to $12,000. But again, what if we grow at that 5% per month? So if you guys see now, the current market cap is at 3.274 billion, which is actually 830 Satoshi units. So between then and now, we've actually gone up in the last 2 months, not by 5% per month. No, we're actually up about 30, almost 40% in the last 2 months. So again, we're exceeding expectations in terms of our projection model. So based off what we're seeing now in the price action, so many things have happened since that time. And the big thing that I want to discuss is they brought out phase 2 for Shiba Inu's roadmap and pipeline. And the things they mentioned are Shibarium, so L2, and there were some really big projects within the ecosystem that they also introduced us to. Of course, SHIBASWAP has been released since that time, which was a huge success and still continues to be a success. But of course, people are looking for more gains, more substantial gains than it offered. So now, if we do truly see that 5% per month gain through from now till 2030, we're talking potentially we're talking about a 1,602x in price. So that's when you'll see that $100 not go to 1,000, not go to 10,000, but go to $100,000 for every what? 10 million SHIB. So again, that's nothing compared to where it is right now. And you guys know some people think I have some ridiculous price actions, but look what people said about Bitcoin back in 2011, 2010, when it was at, a fraction of a penny. Now Bitcoin is where? It's at 49,000 US dollars. So for someone who picked up 100 Bitcoins, you're set for life if you picked up 10 Bitcoins at that time. But not many people did because they were like, this is speculative, this has no potential. For Shiba Inu, yes, it's a speculative play, don't get me wrong. But if you do have some sort of risk tolerance and you're able to put some money in, I'm not saying put in, your entire bank account. No, put in an amount of money, again, a fraction of what you currently might have in terms of your assets, in terms of your crypto portfolio, stock market portfolio, whatever it might be. Put a fraction of that into SHIB, 1%, 0.5%, 0.005%, doesn't matter, because All I'm saying is if Shiba Inu follows its roadmap for all the things that we have to come, the potential is enormous. The fact that in the last 4 months, 5 months or so, this thing went to an all-time high of nearly 500% more than where it is today. So still a lot more room for growth. When we're talking before all the price action that we're anticipating to happen, we have Webull's listing coming. We have Coinbase's listing coming. We have a Robinhood potentially also going to be listing SHIB. These are all listing type things. But when we're talking utility, all the different things that came about, especially with the article we discussed with JD, and he talked about it. He mentioned, Shiba World. If we create a game, an NFT-based video game that Shiba Inu's community plays on and makes money, it's a paid-to-play video game because that's the next big thing. And if they are successful at launching such platform, you guys know exactly where Shiba Inu is headed. It's heading directly to the moon. And I know I say that often, but I continue to, practice what I say, right? I put my money where my mouth is. And that's why every time it dips, we buy the dip. So when we see significant dips, like today, it's down about 1%. So that's more consolidation. The overall market, again, at 2.1 trillion, heading back to its all-time high for market cap, right around the 2.5 trillion mark. There's still so much room for growth. Mass adoption is coming. People will look into other crypto assets to diversify within their portfolios after they enter into the market. So Bitcoin, Ethereum, ADA, or Cardano, all the big ones, of course, are the first ones that people might look into. After that, they'll look, what are some cryptocurrencies that have, things on their pipeline, have a strong community backing? And that is, of course, us, the Shiba Inu community and holders. Currently sitting at how many? 638,000 holders. So again, a fraction of that of Dogecoin. And in my opinion, the fact that we have so much more utility, I hold both, of course, but Shiba Inu's potential is truly astronomical. So that's why I always tell everybody, if you have any form of buying power, put a fraction of that into some of these more speculative cryptocurrencies, because if they deliver based off their roadmap and based off the things that we're anticipating, oh my goodness, the future is going to look really, really bright. So again, for everybody that hasn't already, make sure you guys smash the like button for this video, subscribe to the channel, and join us on this journey. We are talking about all these different crypto assets. Some were up 500-600% on, some 40 to 50%. But regardless, we are all collectively making money, and that is the ultimate goal, to achieve that generational wealth and hopefully one day be able to retire and just do this either full-time or have enough gains with your crypto assets to sustain your living and your expenses indefinitely. So thank you so much, everybody, for tuning in. I appreciate your guys' support. Again, if you haven't already, make sure you guys follow me on Twitter. That's where I pretty much post all timely updates. And also I have the Patreon link in the description, or the channel membership if you'd like to support in any other way. And that's all I had for you. See you all hopefully later tonight for Satoshi Saturdays. And until next time, everybody, keep investing. Peace.